I need a new blower motor for a Bryant Plus 90i furnace. I believe it is a half a horsepower motor. It was just replaced under 2 years ago, but a tech said I need a new one. I just need a model number so I can order online. The current motor is a GE 3.0 ECM motor, but I need to ensure I have the exact model for this Carrier/Bryant furnace.
Do you have the model number? Billy.
355 of 042060.
Very rarely are both parts bad. Are you having the motor tested with an IC motor tester? These are pretty expensive to replace the entire thing when only one part is bad. Has the motor been tested properly?
No, the tech came by and said that the motor was bad and that he was going to replace it. This is one that he replaced 2 years ago. It is a GE ECM 3.0 motor. The model number I provided was for the furnace itself. I can pull out the motor and get it tested, but it is a holiday here on Monday, so I am leaning to just replace the part. I understand these motors should last up to or more than 10 years, but it is cold here. It looks like if it is the same as this one, I can order it for under $300. Carrier HC41Me117.
That is a basic motor. Your motor is variable speed IC motor. More like $800 for the module and motor together. This is a whole different animal than a basic furnace. It has a circuit board in the module on end of motor. That is why I ask about proper testing. At $400 for module and $400 for motor, you want to be sure of which part.
Oh, that really sucks. Yeah, I am not sure which component is failing. The fan seems easy to turn by hand and doesn't make a noise. When the furnace attempts to start the motor or test the speed, the motor/fan system makes a rumbling kind of sound, and then the furnace controller shuts down with an error 41, which apparently implies that the motor is unable to achieve a speed of 250 revolutions per minute.
Correct. That is why the motor must be tested properly with a trained tech and an IC motor tester. Most techs not up to speed replace both because they do not know how to test the module. It is worth a service call with the sole intent being that they have an IC motor tester. This is not like furnaces in the old days. This is a high-tech piece of equipment.
Okay, I will pull it out and get it tested. Sorry to go back and forth so many times. However, would you just confirm if that is the right model for the motor? Thanks for your time.
The module is IC 3.0. Here is link for entire motor Bryant 355/MOV motor Billy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.